What's up? Today we're installing a Genie wireless keypad for the garage door opener. I have never owned a house that had a garage, and so I thought this was like a feature that you had to buy and it came with the unit. So when we bought this house, there was no keypad, and I was like, man, that'd be nice to have a keypad. Turns out it's wireless and you can just add it onto your current system, so we're gonna do that. And I've never done it before, but this is something my parents would ask me to come do for them, so I figured make a video about it. Let's get into it. All right, so we got it open. It says to pull this tab for the batteries. And then the next step is to put the garage door opener into program mode. So we're just gonna go up here, push and hold program mode till we see the LED turn blue. There it is. We'll let it go, it turned purple, and so now we're in program mode. On the keypad, the default code is 357. 357. And then press up and down on the keypad 3 or 4 times slowly until your garage door opener operates. Alright, so you push 3, 5, 7. And the garage is starting to move. All right, go ahead and stop it. So we're in program mode, or we've got it programmed now. Okay, and now it says to update the code. So it's not the factory default one. It says you just put in the current pin. And then you hit the program button once. And then you put in the new pin, which we'll do off camera. And then that'll update it for your new pin for your own code. All right, so the only thing left to do is to mount it to the wall here. I'm gonna put it, well, I don't know where this mark came from, but we're gonna use this mark. Drill a little pilot hole for the screw. Drive the screw in. Not all the way. And the back just has this little thing, so you're just gonna line it up. A little loose, so we're gonna tighten that screw down. See how that fits? Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice and snug. And then the next screw that secures it is right here through the battery compartment. Just lock that in. Pop the batteries back in. Put the cover on. Put our code in. And we're in there. That's it. This part was on Amazon for about $35, I think, and it took about 10 minutes. Messing around with the camera took half the time, so about 10 minutes to install. Was very easy and simple to do, and anyone can really do it. So thanks for watching.